In Class 1 Division 2 hazardous locations, specific requirements exist for cable and conduit entries to ensure safety. Focusing on multi-conductor tray cable, specifically Type TC, Section 501.15e on Exception 1 of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides a crucial allowance. This exception states that multi-conductor tray cable, Type TC, can enter a purged enclosure through a hub and connector of the CGB type without needing a cable seal in Class 1 Division 2 areas. The rationale behind this exception lies in the function of the purge system. A purge system maintains a positive pressure inside the enclosure. This positive pressure ensures that hazardous gases or vapors cannot enter the enclosure. Because the atmosphere inside the enclosure is kept free from hazardous materials due to the continuous positive pressure, the need for a cable seal at the point of entry is waived under this specific exception. Shifting our attention to rigid metal conduit, or RMC, entries requirements are very different. Section 501.15a of the NEC governs conduit sealing in Class 1 Division 2 locations. When a seal is installed on a conduit run entering a Class 1 Division 2 area, a strict condition applies to all fittings and couplings situated between the seal and the enclosure. These fittings and couplings must be explosion-proof, which is commonly abbreviated as EXP. An explosion-proof fitting is designed and constructed to contain an internal explosion without allowing the ignition of surrounding flammable vapors or gases. If a non-explosion-proof fitting, such as a standard LB conduit, is placed between the seal and the enclosure, the installation violates the code. The purpose of the seal is to prevent the passage of gases, vapors, or flames from the hazardous area through the conduit system to a non-hazardous area, or vice versa. The seal fitting must be listed for sealing service. To maintain the integrity of this protection, all components between the seal and the enclosure must also be explosion-proof. Therefore, a non-explosion-proof fitting compromises the safety measures intended by the seal. In summary, while multi-conductor tray cable benefits from an exception allowing entry into purged enclosures without a cable seal due to the positive pressure maintained by the purge system, conduit systems require explosion-proof fittings between the seal and the enclosure to prevent the propagation of explosions or hazardous materials.